YT, what it do? Ooh. Hey, man. Welcome to another episode of the Honeycomb Hideout, man. You know what I'm saying? I do apologize. First, let me say this. I want to go ahead and apologize. I ain't dropped in about a week. I had some issues going on with my transmission dipstick, bro. With the transmission dipstick, and I was gonna drop that video, but I was like, I'm not even about to waste you guys' time. But nevertheless, I ordered a 18 flexible dipstick, and that dipstick, it just wouldn't work. I'm gonna come back to that. Remember, I ordered an 18 dipstick and I said it didn't work. Then I went on eBay and ordered a 700R4 because a lot of people on the in the LS 3rd Gen Swap Facebook group said they use a 700R4 transmission dipstick and tube, and it worked. But dude, I spent 2 days trying to get this to fit, and it just I'm talking about, I was trying to install it from the top down to the I was trying to install it from the top down to the transmission. I was even up under the car trying to install it from the bottom up, you know what I'm saying, and I just could not get it. Nevertheless, I did some more research, and the A-Team, what I figured out was, from all my research that I've done, was people use the A-Team flexible transmission dipstick, but you have to trim off like 3/4 of an inch of that dipstick for it to fit. So I did order that. It's being delivered by Amazon, which it should be here tomorrow. So, you know what I'm saying, this is gonna be like a 2-part video. I may combine them all in one, I'm not sure, but you know, I got a lot of things I gotta get buttoned up. Just the small things, just those, you know, things that just those things that you know what I'm saying, you don't know that you don't know that you need this part until you getting ready to, you know, do your first start. But today, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to say, screw all that, today I got a big surprise for you guys. Big surprise. If you if you follow me on Instagram, the Honeycomb Hideout, then you already know what's going on. But nevertheless, I do want to give a big shout out to Car Change 3D. You can follow them on Instagram. You can follow them on IG. We was able to collab and come up with something very, very special for the Milk Marie. Now, mind you guys, like I said, you know what I'm saying, the Instagram name is Honeycomb Hideout. The YouTube, Honeycomb Hideout. This is just Honeycomb Hideout builds. You feel me? And so, and this is gonna be my first. Well, if you, like I said, if you already on the Instagram page, you already know what's going on. I'm not gonna keep talking y'all heads off. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. So what we looking at is a carbon fiber Holley 6.86 dash that we got from Milk Marie. And as y'all can see, it got the honeycomb carbon fiber wrap on it. It's amazing, bro. It's amazing. But yeah, I was able to collab with Car Change 3D, and we came out with this, and it looks amazing. It looks very amazing. We will be installing it in the 3rd Gen. That's what we will be doing today. I do have to, after, you know what I'm saying, some wire connected test fits, I do need to run down to Summit. I gotta go down there anyway to pick up a new starter. But I had bought these connectors. Those connectors were for me to tie in, what is that? Those connectors were for me to tie in the transmission temperature sensor and the fuel wire to the dash. However, those connectors are too big. They don't fit. So, like I said, I gotta go down there to Summit to order a new starter anyways. While I'm down there, I will be, you know, following up with them on what size recommended connectors that I need to buy. I did see some on online. They sell like a kit, as far as I believe it come with like 4 wires that are already pre-prone. They already have those connector prongs on them. But that kit is like like $200, man. I'm not finna pay $200 for that. You feel me? I'm not. Some other sapsucker can, but I'm not. So, like I said, I gotta go down there, pick up the starter. I'm gonna follow up on that. Until then, I mean, you know, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the 3rd gen. I do have everything already. Ooh. That may, oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get me some more slack off of this, because this is my main connector. That's good. This is my transmission wire line that I gotta connect. I'm gonna have to get up under here. But yeah, let me get up under here, get me some more slack on this power line right here, and I'm gonna pick back up with y'all while I'm, you know, getting ready, or after I've put this in. It ain't nothing but the bolt hose. I already got the bolts over here. So yeah, let me get some more slack off of this power wire, and I'll be right back. Yes sir. So I was able to get that main wire extended. I gotta figure out what that is, but I know for a fact I'm gonna have to end up pulling this whole setup back off, just so I can tie in the transmission line. I mean, not the transmission line, but the transmission sensor power wire, and then I gotta tap into my fuel level wire coming from the 3rd gen itself into the screen. But without further ado, like I said, we was able to get that mounted up. So yeah, without further ado, this is how we looking. I still got, you know what I'm saying, just my little plastic on it for the time being. Yeah, man, took the whole digital dash to another level, and that is mounted in there good. Got my steering wheel, pop this on, boom. We got the steering wheel with the detachable, well, the quick release, the fully digital dash, no more mechanical gauge clusters. I'm about to go to Summit to go pick up the starter, and I actually just had a package delivered. I'm thinking this package that got delivered was, I'm thinking this is my battery tray. I'm not even too sure. Let's lock the doors back real quick. Let's take a look at what I just received. This is firsthand. Like I said, I don't even know what this is. Here. I got a feeling that it's the battery tie down, but like I said, I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, this gotta be that battery tie down. Yeah, this is the battery hold down tray. Dang, I don't have. Okay, there you go. I'm not gonna be able to get the battery until like my next check, but we could do a test fit, because like I said, I relocated the battery from I relocated the battery from the passenger side to the driver's side over here. So let me, all right, we got that. Jesus Christ, what kind of rapping was y'all folks? They went crazy on the tape. Screw it. Ugh. Go beast mode with it. hold on, y'all. That darn, I had to set a whole box up. So I got that open. Let's see. Breakers. This is the main thing that I'm worried about. Battery tray. So let's clean out some of this. It's so dirty down here. Let's see. Get out of my way. Yeah, it fits. It fits. So that's gonna be the battery tray with all its pieces. Cool. So we got that. So what I'm about to do, we're gonna go ahead and pack up one time. I'm gonna head down here to Summit. I'm gonna pick up the new starter. I'm also gonna pick up my links for me to be able to tie the transmission sensor and the fuel level sensor, all that in. And we're gonna pick something up. We're also gonna grab something to eat while we out, but we're gonna pick something up, and then I'm gonna pick back up with y'all when I get back to the crib. So I'll be right back, players. What up, gang? We back, man. Sunday. I ain't get a lot of work done today because I wasn't feeling good at all. You know what I'm saying? But I did go down to Summit yesterday. I wanted to show y'all. I did pick up that starter. Ended up getting this Power Master Performance high torque mini starter, and actually was trying to put it on the car today. Good little mini starter. You know, but as Summit always do, well, I ain't gonna say always, I mean, they pretty good for it. They'll, you know, they will sell you a part that don't fit the car. Yeah, I mean, I got it up under I was up under the car trying to put it on. It just would not go. It just would not fit. And it was $171, so shit. I'm about to head back down there. I'm gonna head back down there and, you know what I'm saying, return it, get my money back. I already found another mini starter. I'm gonna just go ahead and get that one from 1A Auto, and that one's only $100. So yeah, we did that. Ended up getting the that's the starter wires right there hanging out, but we ended up getting the transmission lines ran. We got transmission lines ran. They come up right here. They come up in there, and I just got to plug them up to the transmission cooler. So we got that taken care of. See, they run down there. Just gotta, like I said, just gotta plug them up to the transmission cooler. I gotta find my adjustable to take those little pieces off so I can run them. We got the 2 gauge wire here. I'm gonna route that, so, you know, of course that'll go to the battery tray. Gotta finish bolting that in. You know what I'm saying? The transmission dipstick I actually thought was gonna be here today. It actually won't be here till later on this week. So we're gonna, as soon as that gets here, we're gonna get that tied in. You know what I'm saying? You know, as y'all know, we did put the Holley in. We did put the Holley in, and of course, you know, we have the I knew that was looking a little funny. It wasn't on there all the way, but we put the Holley in. Let me, there it go. Yeah, so we got the Holley in. You know, we got the quick release NRG on the steering wheel. B&M shifter, y'all seen that video already. So I wanted to get I wanted to get a lot of work done today, but man, when I woke up this morning, I just was not feeling good at all. I was not feeling good. It was what? It was 12 o'clock and I was still in the bed. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I wasn't feeling good, but you know, hey, at least we got, like I said, the transmission lines ran. And then from there, all we gotta do is just, you know, finish tightening up everything. Try to get a battery soon. And once we do the battery, you know, we can do a start on it. From there, you know what I'm saying, the car will be going to the shop. The car will be going to the shop for some exhaust, get the exhaust welded up. Also gonna get some subframe connectors, some UMI subframe connectors welded on. So it'll be going to the shop for that. And honestly, I'm trying to decide. I did just meet a guy who gave me a good deal on the paint job, freshen up that white. So I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and jump on that or just ride it for a little minute, you know what I'm saying, and then get that taken care of. I don't know. I'm trying to make that decision right now. But yeah, that's where we stand with that. I definitely appreciate you all tuning into another episode of the Honeycomb Hideout. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we got the Holley 6.86 Pro Dash installed. That's ready to go, and it's looking sexier than ever. Make sure you guys hit that bell to post notifications so you get all the new drops when I drop them. Make sure you subscribe, man. Let's get these subscribers up. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting out good content, and we just gotta get the subscribers up, man. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you share. You do all of that, man. And you know, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I need to get down here to Summit before they close. So we're gonna be out. Peace.